My name's Laura Harvey. I work for Essex Wildlife Trust. It's a lovely bright sunny morning this morning and we are going to be exploring compost. Can you see the worms? And lots of other bits too. What is compost? And how does it happen? Compost starts off as this. Bits of old dead plant. Anything that comes from a plant can be turned into compost. This is the compost bin in my garden and you can see what we have put in it. Lots of weeds, a bit of melon there, newspaper, anything that comes from a plant. Some woody bits over there. How does it get to be like this? There are special creatures in compost that help. This is a worm, but it's not any old worm. It's a tiger worm. Can you see the stripes when it stretches out? That is busy turning all the leftover fruits and vegetables into lovely dark rich compost. This compost is not broken down yet. It's partly broken down and this is perfect for the worms. You can see them all in there with their stripy bodies, eating all the leftovers, perfectly recycling it. Sometimes you might get other things in there. I don't know if you can see. There's a little woodlouse. Sometimes you get really exciting things that live in compost bins, like maybe a slow worm, which is a legless lizard. You might even get a grass snake. Some compost gets made by bacteria breaking it down, and when the bacteria breaks down all those plant bits, it makes lots of heat, perfect for incubating eggs of things like lizards. Sometimes in the compost bin you might get little creatures living in there. In here is a hole where a little mouse lives. Lots of people have compost bins in their gardens. This type of compost bin is called a Dalek compost bin. Can you tell why? And sometimes they have a handy little flap at the bottom. So you can, it's like a trapdoor, lift it up. This compost bin was made using old pallets. This kind of compost bin is a turning compost bin or rotary compost bin, and it's supposed to make compost really quickly. You put the compost in the top here. There it is. Then you turn it. When you've managed to turn it all the way around, it looks more like this inside, and getting the air in between it all helps to break it down. This compost has been there for about a year and now it's ready to use. I would take out and I would sieve it, mix it with some ordinary soil and plant my plants in it. On the woodland floor, composting happens naturally. Leaves fall down from the trees in winter. Leaves fall down to the floor with bits of old twig where they're broken down into lovely rich soil by the worms, so that in the spring new plants can start to grow. If you've got a compost bin, have a look and see what you can find living in it.